Hi, I'm Nilesh. I'm one of the fundraisers here at Thorpe Hospice in Peterborough. The Peterborough Dragon Boat Festival, organised by Gable Events, is a wonderful event for all the companies that are here today and a huge fundraising opportunity for anybody that takes part. It's a great day. Thank you to everybody that has taken part and raised thousands of pounds for Thorpe Hospice, which will all go towards providing incredible care for our patients and their families in this city and further afield in this region. Thank you.
Hi, we're from Coloplast. We're in the healthcare industry. We've come here today to raise money for Sue Ryder. They're our charity of the year. So far we've raised £6,000. Our aim is to raise 10,000 by the end of the year. So today's been a great bit of fun. We've been in the boats, raising money and also having fun whilst doing it with our team. It's been great.
Please give a huge cheer for the Rat Pack. Representing Absolute Timber capital letters, it is Absolute Capital!
Come and get your medals in your study. Come on, you worked so hard for this all afternoon.